Stock investing for beginners. Stocks were going down. Why? Today I'm going to talk about 3 reasons why stocks have been going down, and also 7 stocks are going to report earnings this week. I'm going to show you how to differentiate between good stocks and bad stocks and my opinions on it, and what you can do when the stocks are going down. April 1st to April 12th, so it's only 2 weeks. I made over 5,291 in 2 weeks. That's not bad. If you can hear me, comment down below where you are watching from. And also S&P 500. Let's look at S&P 500. It's down 1.46%. So on Friday, the past 5 days, if you look at it, it wanted to go up on Thursday, but it went back down on Friday. For the past 5 days, it has been going down for 2 weeks. So like I said before, April is time for the pullback. So, but this could be a good opportunity to add to the stocks that you really like. Nasdaq down 1.62% on Friday. Over the past 5 days, it's not so much. It wanted to go up a lot on Thursday, but it went down. It went up because some Fed officials said that they are still thinking about 2 or 3 rate cuts, even though the inflation data was up for March. And Dow Jones, it went down on Friday. The past 5 days, it also went down the past 5 days as well. Why? Reason number 3 is because of JP Morgan. JP Morgan said, their earnings reports was good, but it still went down, and it's because over the past day it went down 0.45%. It went down because they hold the forecast, the guidance steady, 2 billion to 3 billion for the year. And in this, everybody was expecting they can raise the guidance by 2 billion to 3 billion, but they are basically holding steady their interest income guidance. They haven't changed yet, even though they reported really good EPS, expected 4.11, reported 4.44. Revenue expected 41.85%, but the actual was 42.55 billion. So it's really important for the stock to go up. Not only the actual results, but also guidance are really important. And Jamie Dimon said reason number 2. Jamie Dimon said, he warns about inflation wars and Fed policy pose major threats ahead. Remember, he's not always right. Whenever he says something, stock market went down because he's influential. But after that, stock market went back up again. And the war, there are a number of significant uncertainty forces. Of course, it's always all the time. Stock markets every year, there are always uncertainties. So don't worry about it. If you want to become a successful investor, there are always noises. So what matters most is earnings. If companies are reporting great earnings, beat expectation, beat guidance, raise the guidance, so the stock market will go up, because if more companies are doing well, better than expectation, they raise guidance, stock markets overall gonna go up. Reason number 1, because of war, Israel and Iran. They started a war on Friday, so on Sunday, Iran launches retaliatory attack on Israel. Yeah, it could happen, regional war, but that's a good opportunity. When war happens, there's always good opportunity to buy. You can become millionaires, billionaires if you know how to make use of opportunity. So learn stock investing, call option, put options, or advanced option. Really important. This coming week, economic calendars are full of Federal Reserve presidents. They are going to be speaking. Retail sales expected 0.3%. Last week it was 0.6%. So if it's come out better than expected, so the stock market could go up. But mainly Federal Reserve presidents, what they say, would they cut interest rate or would they hold interest rate? And it could be only 2 cuts instead of 3 cuts that expected. So if they say we're gonna keep the interest rate cuts, 3 cuts for this year, we're not gonna change, even though the inflation is up, we had 2 or 3 inflation reports was that expected. Then in that situation, you know what, the stock market could go up. They're not going to change rate cuts. They might delay, this year. Then if that's the story, yeah, we could see stock market go up. If they say hawkish, like, oh, we're gonna cut less, maybe 2 times instead of 3 times, or we may only cut 1 time, or the worst thing is if they say, oh, we need to raise interest rate again, that would be really, really bad. So as long as they haven't talked about raising interest rate again, then I think the stock market could be volatile, but overall it could stay be bullish. Daily promise housing starts. Let's see how much demand is in real estate. Expected 1.47 million. If it's better than 1.47 million, so the demand is stay intact. So many jobless claims, no, not necessarily gonna change the stock market so much. 210,000 expected. Let's see how the actual. Then last week it was 211,000. Philadelphia, nothing much changed. So those are the presidents, Chicago Fed president, when they speak, they're gonna move the market. I think that the war, it could impact the stock markets maybe on Monday. And let's look at the 7 stocks coming this coming week. Bank of America, year to date is up only 5.15%. 5 years does not beat S&P 500, 70.92%. So we don't even need to look at it. Look at the past 5 years for S&P 500, 74.27%. So I'm gonna be interested if a stock is at least 75% beating S&P 500. Nope, this is all the questions. Morgan Stanley down 8.21% year to date. 5 years, yes, it beat S&P 500. And it has been in business for more than 10 years. Yes, so it's basically, it meets 2 of my criteria. The criteria number 3, has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yes, it has been a public company for at least 5 years, since 1986. Number 4, do I like this business? No, I don't usually like bank business, so I'm not gonna buy Morgan Stanley. If you like banking business, yeah, go ahead and study their financial statements, balance sheet, cash flow statements, income statements. Yeah, you can do that. Stock number 5, Johnson & Johnson, down 7.78%. 5 years, it does not beat S&P 500. No, so dividend yield 3.23%. Yes, but you can't really retire or travel around the world on dividend. You need to be having 3 million, 4 million, 5 million to just make 20,000, 30,000 a year or 60,000 a year. So no, it's not gonna change your world. I can't travel around the world with my family. I can't bring my parents or family around the world. No, I stay at condominiums with swimming pool or gymnasium. No, I can't do that with dividend. So I'm not really interested in buying dividend stocks. Stock number 4, United Airlines, year to date 2.65%. It's down 5%, 32.47%. The past 5 years, they have so many chances to make profits. No, they couldn't do that because they are in a bad business. I don't like airline industry. Even if I were billionaires, I'm not gonna start an airline business. See, all the time they have so many opportunities to make money. No, even if you invested during IPO at the beginning, you will still lose money, 2.79%. So it's hard to make money in airlines. So it's easier to make money in other growth stock. Maybe even Netflix, you will still make money. Year to date, 32.94%. 5 years, it does not beat S&P 500, but it's uptrend. So it can be really, really good to trade. Trading stocks for Netflix. Yes. And the next one, second one, there are some stocks you can buy to prevent war, if there's a war. Lockheed Martin, yes, 1.25% year to date down, but 5 years it does not beat S&P 500. But if there is going to be World War III, this stock could go up. Then if you own a lot of this stock, you can sell it at the top, then you can buy other stocks. remember other stocks gonna crash because of fear. Then this stock gonna go up like crazy. Then you can sell this stock, then buy other stock, and you can become a millionaires or billionaires if you know how to trade options or invest option. Stock number 1, Tesla year to date down 31.14%. 5 years it beats S&P 500, but I don't like it because it's a car company. It does not seem to have a pricing power yet. Yes, it meets up my other criteria. Has it been public company for 5 years? Yes. Has it been in the business for at least 10 years? Yes, but I just don't like business because it's showing the signs of car company, not the technology company. It doesn't have pricing power. Even Janet Yellen said, if US does not ban import of Chinese EV cars, Tesla and other companies could be in trouble. It could totally wipe out all the American car companies. Even Elon Musk said that if we don't do anything about Chinese EV companies exported to Europe and all over the world, they're gonna dominate all the car industry. So that's the troubling sign. So I'm not gonna invest in Tesla. Would I trade Tesla? I don't see uptrend yet, so it's not going up yet. So I'm not gonna trade Tesla yet. So if you have any more questions, comment down below. If you want to watch more of my live videos, you can go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto, and you can watch my live videos and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.